Galvin. Hello, Galvin. Stop. Stop.
Ito dia. Nakagod mo yung nagdako-dako. Rakagod din sa day.
Oh my God. I don't want to see it again anymore.
Kaya pala tumataba ako sa kabila. Hindi ko na naging kita yung rabo. Yan yung
Sabi na
Paano yun? Tutaba ka mo. Dapat kung nangaribos ka mo, pwede na ka natuan dyan. Dito na ka magdala sa baba.
Tulog ang daw mo na okay, God!
Surulot sila, yun,
Yeah.
Diri, inirin humamba ang mga bado.
Pag-ialak ko sa talang ng balik mo na.
Kaya pag na-register kanina. Kanina.
Wala pa tayo.
Wala kami kalentura daw si Anto.
Ako yung dilo. Lapit namin na. Dinala ni Mama ang bago.
Hi, team. Good morning. Morning, team. Good morning, go.
Yes?
Team Dandel o Team Sam?
Darating. What? Well, I didn't, what did you say, Tim? I didn't see.
Dandel, naman na ba yan? Kaya pag di yung ayaw. Bako ni Taringan. Bako kay Dinis.
Pag nahulog, tabi, itindog mo daw yung gabong. My brother's wife. My niece, my son, my nephew, a lot of people here in the home. Thank you so much for the watching here.
Mama kasuko nag-books ka. Huwag mo lusol.
What we're doing today? Today, I work today. After live, I do. My manay-in-law messaged me. We're going to Inak. The mother of the undernourished children. We need to assist further having an activity. Volunteer job. Okay, today. You, what are you doing? You going to sleep, Golden? You're going to sleep.
Pwede na ba ito? Pwede na. Bukas na yun eh. Maramiyas ng matutulog ako. Pwede na.
I'm watching football. Ah, same team. He also watching football. Ow. Good morning, John. Hi, John. You have something in your mind? Yeah, a lot of my mind. Tommy, on my mind. Something on my mind. A lot. To the man, to the man, to the man, to the man. How's this weather there at the moment? Raining, and then now it stopped the rain, and then suddenly raining, and suddenly sunny. The weather is mixed. One day raining, sunny. Now raining na, then now the sun is coming na again. Same here. Same there.
Sabi ko kay magpatyan kay nabasa ko lang kay Grace. Sabi lang ni Grace. Lumakad si ate.
Thank you so much, everyone here. Thank you, guys. Hope and pray somewhere in your heart you'll always stay. Sun doesn't shines without you. Are you making? I'm making coffee. Thank you for the thumbs up. Um,
Mula kung saan ano, mag-yung
I thought it was porridge. I just had some. It's the same. Just a coffee. Thank you so much for. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Very easy to watch. Yeah, thank you. I need to make some breakfast. See you soon. XX. XX. What XXX means? Thank you, John. Maybe I need to end this live. I do live again. Hope you join again, guys. Bye bye. Love you all. I need to go. I have to go. I need to prepare. Okay, bye bye. The kiss. Bye bye. Thank you, my team. Love you all.